I am Sujaya. I have given medical transcription training for visually impaired. When I was giving the training, I had problem in explaining the internal organs about their position and how they will be arranged and all that. So I came up with these 3D models, which will help the visually impaired to understand the actual shape and size and where it is located inside the body and all that. So I have used different materials, different textures to represent different parts of the internal organs, so that they know when they are moving from one organ to another, there is a difference in the structure for them to understand better. This is a 3D model of female reproductive system, which shows the uterus at the full-term pregnancy. Now this contains all soft and non-toxic materials, and it's very easy for the students to feel and go through all the parts. I have used plastic pipes and covered it with felt paper, felt cloth to represent the fallopian tubes. There will be 2 fallopian tubes, and these are the artificial flowers, which represents here the fimbriae. These are the ovaries, which has a totally different texture. Now egg will be released from here, and fimbriae just takes it inside the tube. Here you can see the tube, fallopian tube. The egg goes here and waits here for fertilization. After the fertilization happens, it rolls over and comes and settles in the uterus till it reaches the full-term pregnancy. Now here I have given the provision to show. Now inside the uterus, the baby will be at this position, which means that it is ready to come out. That means the delivery to happen. Now at the time of delivery, the uterus starts contracting, mild contractions in the beginning, and then it becomes strong contractions and frequent contractions. The amniotic sac will open up and the baby starts coming out of the body. The head will come out first, and then slowly both the shoulders one by one will come out, and the rest of the body usually comes out without much problem. This is the umbilical cord which connects the baby to the mother. The placenta will be the one which will be supplying the oxygen and food nutrients to the baby. Now the placenta is still there inside. Now with further contractions, the placenta also will be coming out of the body. Now the baby is born. They will put clips leaving some portions here and one more here, cut it in between to separate the baby. Now the baby is born, but still it is not crying. So what they do, they just try to tap the baby here and there. Here doesn't cry, they take the baby, hold it upside down like this, tap on the back slightly, the baby starts crying. Okay, now the baby is fully born. This is the demo of a normal vaginal delivery.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.